welcome back to Tara's World. Today we are going to be doing another Easter DIY craft. So let's get on with this video. Okay, you guys, this is what we're going to need. We're going to need some floral moss from the Dollar Tree. We're also going to need their Spanish moss. And we're also going to need these little foam eggs. And this little box that we found, white. I got the craft done. It's super cute. It didn't turn out as I was planning, but it's still super cute. And you can add ribbon or Easter flowers, whatever you would like, but I like it this way. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Bye, guys!